there everyone, we're working on Chevy Cruzes today, but 2011 Chevy Cruze check engine light came on, so what we're going to do is we're going to hop inside and hook up this onboard diagnostic computer and we'll see what happens. Alright, right now we're inside. We've got the computer hooked up to the car and we're going to click on vehicle diagnostic and we'll see if this is an auto ID, and I'm going to turn the key on. Press enter. Okay, there it is. The computer automatically grabbed a hold of the onboard computer of the car. 2011 Chevy Cruze 1.4, is this correct? Absolutely, so we're going to click yes. And now it is communicating with the onboard computer. Okay. Alright, so it came up with one ECM code. So let's see what that is. Exhaust camshaft position actuator circuit. Oh. Okay, after I got that code P0013, as you can see right here, took it to the internet, did a little research, came up with this variable valve timing solenoid, and just another name for it, for this 1.4 liter Chevy Cruze. Right over here on your left hand side you see the picture of the actual solenoid. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll basically give you a 101 kind of explanation on what this does. The camshaft position actuator, or CPM, is controlled by the powertrain control module through a high control circuit as well as a low reference circuit, and it carries 12 volt pulse which modulates from the PCM to the CMP actuator solenoid in order to control the amount of engine oil flow to the actual cam phaser. Low reference circuit is used for the return, and the PCM has the ability to monitor the high control as well as the low control reference circuit. If the power control module detects an open circuit, which you can see right here it did, or a short to ground or a short to the voltage, the P0013 code will go off. Now the B, for example, right here refers to the exhaust, or the right or rear of the camshaft, basically looking at the engine from the driver's seat. And then the 1 indicates the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Alright guys, bought the GM part. I'm going to scroll in here. As you can see, camshaft solenoid, part numbers, and go over to the back. That's what it looks like. And you got a electrical connection point here and two little screws here, and we'll show you where exactly it is on the engine. So step 1, under here is your battery. Disconnect that negative terminal to the battery. Kills all the power to the car. We're going to be working with this electrical point here, and like I mentioned, this point right there, you got two little screws here. You pop those off. It should just kind of weasel out. You might need to kind of wiggle it a little bit and pop that one off. Put the new one on. Tighten these two screws. Connect the electrical port and connect your battery back up. Alright guys, inside the car right now, got the battery hooked back up. We actually took it for a long ride. One of the things I like to do before hooking up the computer to the car and resetting the check engine light, I like having that battery disconnected for a couple minutes and then connecting it and taking it for a long drive. This will give the engine computer time to communicate with the engine and see if it can fix it itself without hooking up the computer to it. And in this case, that's exactly what it did. So hey guys, like the video if it helps, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.